Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to see how we can create these cool cards. Uh, there are three cards here, and in the top left we have a circular shape, and it's not complete circular. And when we hover over any card, the background color changes, and in fact this circular shape expand and cover all the space, and the color of text changes, color of button changes, and there's a cool animation. So let's see how we can create this. I have my project open in VS Code. So first we will create an index file, so index.html, and we will add some default HTML tags, title, CSS card. Okay, let's also create a CSS file. So style.css, and we will link this CSS file here. Okay, so first we are going to add some reset code in our style.css file. And by the way, this is our this is our the design page that we will be creating. So for this, let's go to our website, my website dupost.com, and here you will find this modern CSS reset. So I'm going to simply copy these codes and paste here. Okay, so these are just reset default codes. You can use any other, or you can use your own. Okay, so now we're going to start with a container, and then let's add another section, just cards. Inside card we will create three card into three. Okay, so this is one, this is two, and this is three. Okay, let's see how the website looks. Oh, this page looks 1 2 3. Okay, so now we need to style this. So first we will be adding CSS for container. So here, that container, we have margin, relative, position, relative, margin 0, auto. Okay, then we have padding, different padding here, and text. Okay, and width 100%, and max width 100 px. Okay, so now our content should be inside this. Now we have another class, cards. Okay, so the cards, and we're going to make this flags. So display flags, and get student. Okay, we have justify now justify content, get student, and flags that's wrap is wrap. Okay, so now for card. Okay, so now we have three cards, so we're going to style this card. So card, and first we're going to flags. We want to make it grow, we don't want to shrink, and 300 px. Okay, now if you see, now we are this. So to make it look better, we're going to add some padding to our card. So padding px 0, and okay, now let's give some background. For that, open google.com and search for color picker, and here you can pick any color. So let's just pick some color. Okay, so let's select this one, copy, and background color, save, and refresh this. Now we can see this one. So now let us add some padding. So padding of 2 gram. Oh, we can padding 2 gram, and then adjust border radius of 8 px. 8 px should be fine. I'm going to add overflow hiding. Okay, and let us add some transition. So transition or 0.6 second and linear. Okay, so just refresh. This is how our cards are looking. Okay, now we are going to add this blue circular shape at the top left. So for that, let us create our primary color. So here, let us create a variable primary color. Just do primary and select any color. So again, we will use Google Color Picker, and you can select any color. So I'm going to select. Okay, you can select. Okay, I'm going to keep this one. So copy and paste this one here. Okay, and we are also going to make a text color, text color, and select a color for text color. So let us select this one. Okay, and paste it from here. Okay, so now we have card. Now we're going to add some content in our card. So here we're going to first we will let us see here. We will be adding a title and some text and a button. Okay, so let us add title. So like this to h4, this to content, then this this info, and we're going to add some dummy loading maybe some text. Okay, and let's add a button. So a dot carcass button, and we have some, and here we have date more. Let me just quickly copy these things. And I'm doing this here. Now let us see. So this is how our card looks now. So let us change the title of this content. So for second, we're going to use backend. Backend for third, we can use demo. Okay, so now let's center this text. So for that, in car text line center. For this one, you can add any one text line center. This. Okay, now let us increase font size of the title. So let's add styling for a title. So card H4, and we have on the side, and let's make this to 1.4M. Let's see how this works, and I think it's okay. Okay, and color, we need to use our primary color. Okay, so okay, now we're going to style our buttons. So we have used class card button. Okay, so button and display inline block. Okay, and background color, primary, and your color. We're going to use white color. Okay, let us add some padding. So padding, take PS for top and bottom and one time for left and right, and text decoration none. We're going to remove this underline that appears below the link, and let us add some border radius. So border radius 8. You should use a bigger value so that this takes some concept, something like this. Okay, so let us add some space before and after this text. So for that, this is using card info. So card info, let's add some margin, one and top and bottom, and 0 for left and right, and yes. Okay, so we have created a basic card. Now let us add a circular shape in the top left. Okay, for that we will be using pseudo class. So to use pseudo class, we need to make a card position to relative. Okay, now we're going to add card as P4, and we have position absolute. Okay, and content is black, no content, background color, give it primary. Okay, and top 0, left 0, worth 100%, height 100%. Okay, and let's add some. We will be adding the same transition. If I this is transition all 0.3 second linear. Okay, now let's see how this looks. So first, now you'll see that this has covered everything over the card. We need to reduce this to a circular shape and move it in this top left corner. So for that, Google again clip path generator. Okay, and you'll find the first link clipping CSS clip path maker Philly, and here you can create clip paths very easily. So from the right side, select circle. Okay, and let's decrease its dimension. Let's make this to 15. Okay, and now we will move this to top left here. Okay, now copy this clip path code here and paste this one here. Now refresh. You'll see that we have now a circular shape in top left, and now we need to expand this. So on hover effect, here we need to call as hover before, and clip path, circle, circle, and we're going to increase this to 150%. Okay, and move it back to the center. So 150% at 0 0 at 0 0. So this will move it back to the center. Now refresh this one, and this is not happening. Why? Clip path. Okay, it's actually clip path, not clip. That's path. Sorry, my bad. Refresh, and now you can see, but you still have a problem that this is overlapping the content of the card. So let's add some z index. So for card we'll be add z index 1, and for pseudo class before we have z index minus 1, save this one, refresh. Okay, so now content is going back, but there's some, we have problem, we have color problem with title and button. So let's fix this one. So card is over, you have h4. So if we change the color to white, and let's see. Okay, now we need to fix this button, background color of button. So just com button. We need to make this to background color to white, and to primary. Let's fix this one. Okay, card still not changing. Let's see why. Okay, I have a spelling mistake. Okay, so this is working now, and this is what we get. No, there's one more problem. We need to change this text color on whole. So card is card on whole. Yeah, we're using, okay, for card. Let's add text color. Okay, and on hover we need to change the color to white. Okay, now let me refresh, and yes, this is working. Now this is what we were trying to create. So thank you guys. If you need source code, I will mention the GitHub link in the description below. Thank you.